Hello, 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 hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Peachy Girl Cali World channel. If you don't know, I go by Peach or Peachy. Uh-oh. And today we have some unboxing. So I put on my profile yesterday that I have an order from Farm Rio. I'm going to show you what I ordered. And I have a couple of other little things, some new things from Lulu's. I have some items I'm going to show you from a consignment client. Not all the items, but some of the items. And this cute little gift box that I picked up. So this is the Farm Rio box. You can see it's still sealed. I think I want to save that for last because I'm excited to see how everything looks and how it fits. So I think what we'll start with are some of the items from the consignment client. So this would be my third consignment client. My first consignment client is only shoes. So we only do business in shoes, sneakers, heels, boots, like all the shoes, usually the new shoes that you see on in my Poshmark closet or in my Mercari store. Haven't made it to eBay just yet with those, but all of those, the majority of those, not all of them, the majority are from my consignment client. So yeah, I haven't received any bad feedback thus far about those. I've received a lot of love notes, a lot of thank yous, a lot of these are so cute, cuter in person, all that good stuff. So that's that. My other consignment client, it's apparel and it's going okay. Her sales are a little slower, and I think it's mainly because some of her items are more spring and summer seasonal. So we'll see how this goes. And this consignment client is this third one is mainly menswear. Not mainly, only menswear, and it's a lot of stuff, like a lot of Theory, Air Jordan, Adidas, Nike, Victoria. It's Armani Exchange. So he has like really good taste, and I thank you for entrusting me with your items. So yeah, I think I'm going to start with some of the Air Jordan joggers. These are so cute, and I feel like if you're one of those like I like being comfy kind of people. I like being, athleisure. By people, I mean like what I'm trying to say is this could be unisex. Like to me, I would definitely rock these. I don't care if they're like menswear, and that would just be the, the chilled out version of me. But these are so cute. He sent me like, I'm trying to see. Oh, there's the jump man. The light is that way. He sent me 3 pairs of these to sell, and they're all so colorful and bright, and they're just so cute. So it's like if you want to lounge around, if you want to dress it up with your J's, those are Jordans for all you non-sneakerheads. I'm kidding, I'm not a sneakerhead either. These are also very neat. This is Armani Exchange. Most of these are size medium or size small. These are really cute with the cinch ankle. Pretty sure this is a men's medium. Again, that's Armani Exchange. It has pockets. It's really cool looking, very comfortable. These are Nike New It Tag. New It Tag Nike joggers, Therma. That's the style line. Drawstring, Nike logo on the side there. Like, these are so cute. To me, these could be unisex. Trying not to get out of my own supply. I'm like, maybe I should just buy these for myself. And this is a men's medium. And this is like kind of huge. Calm down, like. You can see like, this could easily fit, I'd say a men's large, a women's extra large. If you're just looking for something kind of comfy and athleisure-y. Like, this is so cute to me. So yeah, and this is the last pair of Air Jordan joggers that he sent, which again, these are so cute. They look so comfy. These will look great with your J's, with your slides, all that good stuff. These are all size medium. So these are all listed on Poshmark and Mercari. They're honestly listed a little higher than what I thought I could get him, just to see, because it's seasonal. And then I'm like doing research to see if these are rare, if they're hard to find, A, B, C, D, F, G. So I'd rather list it for too much and get a fair offer than not enough and get like undercuts, or it sells for a price where it probably shouldn't have. So those are some of the items he sent me. Again, he sent me lots of items. I still have shoes that I need to photograph for him, but the jackets, the coats, the sweatshirts, the hoodies, the pants are all listed. That's in my Poshmark closet, which is at PeachyWorld, and the Mercari store, which is at PeachyGirlCaliWorld. So that's that. Shoes to resell from Lulu's. They were having a sale. This might be a little noisy. This is one pair. This is called their Teal Croc Slide. And you see, I love Lulu's when items come because they're like super wrapped. They're like, we're not going to let water, dirt, sand, anything disturb this order. So I thought these were just gorgeous. That's a little heel. It's a really pretty color. This is an 8.5. I want to say I ordered 2 of these. It feels like really sturdy, like it's not breakable. I'm not gonna say it's not breakable, but it's not like some cheap material. Lulu's typically, even if you find shoes on sale, they're not going to be like a cheap material. That's my experience with Lulu's shoes. Dun, 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 dun. Here they are. These are Steve Madden. They're platform sandal. You can see the Steve down there. I thought these were dope. I was just like, this looks crazy cool. And I was like, this might not sell right away because it's I'm sorry. I'm looking at the cardboard and I'm like, oh, the shoe is breaking, it's lifting. But that's just there to keep it forming. That's not part of the shoe. Anywho's, yeah, I was like, these might not sell right away because of the season we're in, but I was like, these look dope. And online right now, they're listed at like 80 something. These are in my closet for $25. So, yeah, they won't be that price for long. If you really look close, it's a distressed cork style. So that's supposed to be there. It's all over where it has like exposed threading. That's the style of the shoe. That's it for that. And now it's time for our unboxing. So this is Farm Rio. Farm Rio, I'm trying to make sure I don't show my address. Farm Rio is a brand based in Brazil, and they do all kinds of things. Shorts, shirts, dresses, jackets, tops, like, and the prints are crazy. Like, the prints are just crazy. It's like, is this real? It looks very much so like you're immersed into the environment there. So the smart thing for me to have done would have been to grab scissors, but I did not. So I'm going to She-Hulk this box open. I said I'm going to She-Hulk this box open. The box is not cooperating. Okay, there we go. Oh, that looks so cute. I'm supposed to show you all what's going on for the unboxing, huh? So, I said I'm going to She-Hulk this box open. There we go. There we go. There we go. So it says, Farm Rio with love. Hola, hello. Thank you for shopping with us. We hope you love your new Farm Rio. One purchase equals one tree. So every time you make a purchase, they plant a tree. For each purchase made, we donate one tree to be planted by the one tree planted in the Amazon forest, rainforest. Thank you for being a part of this with us. And you can follow them at Farm Rio. And now, I'm excited because, again, I haven't opened this up just yet, so we get to do it together. So it comes in this neat little packaging. You can get a sneak peek at the prints already. I will say, it says made with love on the sticker. I will say that I ordered sizes that I don't typically order because the fit looks not enormous, but definitely oversized. And I was like, I could probably fit into a small. I could probably fit into that medium. Just psyching myself up. This thing is huge. You Thank you. Strong. This is a very long dress. Oh, that's really cute. mixed banana wrap dress. They just tell you to be authentic, be inspired, be all these different things. So I knew this was going to be a long dress, but I didn't know it was going to be this long. Jeez Louise, I might be able to camp out in this. See, that's why I'm glad I looked at it and was like, I could order this in a small. This is their small. And I'm going to try it on and then show you guys. I'm going to try this on. Here's the print. I guess I can show you all the print. They're like these crazy bananas, and then it's like, oh, you thought that was all, but wait, there's more. And then it gives you this print. So I guess I'm gonna have to stop the live and then hop back on here and show you all what it looks like. So bye.